guys, this is Bubby Plays 123 and I'm going to be showing you how to make your speed faster in Minecraft. So, you're going to get a command block and put it down, and then type in /effect @P speed and do like 10 seconds and then 255, and 255 is the highest it would go. So then make it repeat and always active. And see that? Now you're going really fast. And if you want to, it's hard to get back to the command block. So, alright. But you can make it like more slower, like maybe 50. Well, yeah, this is a short video, but make sure you tell your friends, family, or anybody about our channel, because once we hit 50 subscribers, we're going to do a Robux giveaway, and that'll be 500 Robux that we're giving away. And so make sure you like and subscribe, and watch our other videos, and bye.